Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ramadan. I'm from 5C class. Today, I would like to present to you my summary of sociolinguistic journals. It is about the analysis of binomials in Igbo language. So, here we go. The sociolinguistic analysis of binomials in Igbo language. Article by Chiamaka Gloria Maduke. This article is published on Odezuru Igbo Journal, Volume 4, Number 1, 2020. Igbo language and binomials. Igbo language is one of the three major languages in Nigeria. It is spoken by a culturally homogeneous group of people located in the southeastern region and part of the southern regions of Nigeria. Meanwhile, binomial is a term used to refer to expressions of two words joined by a conjunction. These expressions have different meanings depending on their usage. Types of binomials. There are two types of binomials. First is reversible binomials, are those expressions that can completely be changed to be the opposite of what they were before, if they are placed on identical level of syntactic hierarchy and if they are ordinarily connected by some kinds of lexical link. The second one is irreversible binomials, are those binomials that are fixed, they cannot be moved or replaced. They are hardened to such an extent that an inversion would be barely understandable to listeners caught by surprise. Kinds of binomials expression. As stated earlier, binomials can be defined as an expression containing two nouns joined by a conjunction. On the other hand, sociolinguistics is seen as the study of the connection between language and the society and the way people use language in different social situations. This social situation can be called context. This context can be as a result of the speaker's mood or intentions. So, there are 9 kinds of binomials expressions. First is binomials showing friendly or close relationship. This category of binomials is used when referring to a very close relationship between people whereby one cannot do without the other, or one cannot be called without mentioning the other one. They work together. Wherever you see one, you see the other as well. The second one is antonymous association. Binomials that fall into the antonymous association are those that are opposite in meaning to each other, but when paired together, they still portray a binomial pair. In this association, the combined words are individually opposed words, but in their contextual application, they imply a holistic involvement or a wholeness of an effect. The third one is synonymous association. This category of binomials are those that both words forming the binomial expression are synonymous to each other. That is, their meanings are near to each other, notwithstanding, when used together, they portray the intended meaning. The fourth one is enmity or rivalry. This category of binomial is used when referring to a situation whereby there is always rivalry amongst people or when people are at enmity. This set of people never stay together without being at loggerhead. There is always a clash between them. The fifth one is everybody. This form of binomials is mainly used in the society when referring to everybody in question. They emphasize that no one is to be left out. Therefore, when it is being related to the society, it suggests that everyone is involved, big, small, mighty, male, female, children, etc. There is no exception. The sixth one is totality. When referring to an entirety of something, this group of binomials is used to show that everything is involved. The seventh one is everywhere or entirety. Binomials found under this category oftentimes are used to refer to an entirety of a place.
It shows that nowhere is left out, everywhere is inclusive. The H1 is superiority or nobility. Binomials that are found under this category are used when referring to superior or noble beings. They are not just ordinary people. They have higher powers than others. Sometimes they could be spirit beings or mere mortals. Oftentimes they are a symbol of nobility. The last is urgency or seriousness. Some situations are matters that should be treated with seriousness or a matter of urgency. This set of binomials show that it is a matter of seriousness or urgency that is being talked about. Okay, here we go to the conclusion. So the conclusion is, this research is purposed to find the implementation of binomials in society. Binomials is an expression which the implementation is different depends on the situation. So, based on the finding of this research, there are 9 situations: close relationship, antonymous, synonymous, enmity, everybody, totality, entirety, nobility, and urgency. Okay, so that's all from me. Uh, I'm sorry for the mistake and thank you for your attention. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.